Hello, this is Ian Lamont, publisher of In 30 Minutes Guides, available from the In 30 Minutes cheat sheet store, and that includes LinkedIn in 30 Minutes by author Angela Rose. Today I'm going to be talking about editing a post in LinkedIn. If this video helps you out, if you could take a moment to follow the channel or like the video, I would appreciate it, and let's get started. By the way, what I'm about to show you, it works in any browser-based version of LinkedIn, whether you're using Firefox, Windows, Edge, using a PC or a Mac or Linux machine or Chromebook or whatever. This happens to be Google Chrome. This is my LinkedIn feed. And let's say that I made a post a couple weeks ago and I want to change something in it, like maybe some information has changed or I want to add a hashtag or whatever. If you scroll through your home feed, you won't find it because your home feed is filled up with stuff from other people. So it's going way, way back. So what you need to do, go to the top of your LinkedIn feed. In the left corner, you'll see your profile. It'll say views of your post. Just click on that. And then it will show all of your posts in reverse chronological order. Okay, so let's say that I did this post here. Is there a correlation between Facebook ad spend and on Shopify and Amazon FBA sales, blah, blah, blah. So just click on the three dots here. Click on Edit Post. So I have some hashtags here. DTC. Let's say that I want to replace that with e-commerce. E-commerce tips. Okay, and then click Save. So I've just saved it. For more information on how to get the most out of LinkedIn, check out the book LinkedIn in 30 Minutes by author Angela Rose. It actually was a runner-up in the Forward Indies contest a few years back. You can get it on the In 30 Minutes cheat sheet store. For more information, check out the store or check out our other videos on YouTube. If this video helped you out, if you could like it and follow us on YouTube, I would be very grateful for that. This is Ian Lamont signing off. Thank you so much for watching.